In this video, you will explore the steps to integrate the Verify Textbox Length keyword in Avo Assure to verify available character length of a selected text box in SAP application when automating it. Begin by adding the first step on the Design Test Steps screen. For this, select F1_TXT box as the element name and Verify Textbox Length as the keyword. Enter 25 in the input field and VTL within curly brackets in the output field to automate verifying that the text box length is of 25 character. For the second step, select it generic as the element name and display variable value as the keyword to display the output created in the first test step. A point to note here is, you must enter the same value as that of the first test step's output field, in the second test step's input field. For this demo, the variable created is VTL, which refers to Verify Textbox Length. Save the designed test steps. Next, click Debug and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will debug the designed test steps and display the result. After the debug, the true result indicates that the character length is same as input, and false result would have indicated that the character length is not same as number provided in the input.